Let me show you how to quickly create this professional mockup. Press Shift-A and create a cube. Press Tab to go to Edit mode. Select the top face, press E and extrude. Press SX and scale it inward. Press E and extrude again. Now resize it like the video to match the mockup box shape. Press Ctrl-R and create a loop cut around the object. Select the surrounding edges, press SY and scale them inward. Select the edges around the object. Press ES and extrude the edges outward. Go to the Data Object Properties tab. In the Vertex Groups section, create a new group. Click Assign to add the selected vertices to this group. Select all the edges. Right-click and choose Subdivide, then increase the number. Go to the Physics Properties tab, click on Cloth. Scroll down and enable the Pressure option. Set the value to 2. In the Shape section, select the created pin group. Set the shrinking factor to -0.03. Now press the space bar to apply the effect to the object. Go to the Modifier tab and add a subdivision modifier. Add the cloth modifier to apply it to the object. Now in Edit mode you can modify different parts of the object. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.